Hi, I am Robert Kempster. I'm 55. I'm Director of Operations for a charity organization here in New York. I'm a former COO. I've been a former real estate agent. Former this and that, the list goes on. Some of them, they're not pretty, but hey, it's a life. Like most people in New York, I am an immigrant. For years, and in my case, actually decades, I struggled with internet marketing, trying to make money online without getting any results with it. I lost so much money, people thought I was retarded. That's how bad it was. I never gave up because I just knew it was the way society was headed. I knew it was the way business was headed. In fact, and I think maybe that's one of my gifts, being able to predict the trends, where people are going, where things are going. I saw many of the department stores going out of business long before they did because I just realized, just looking at things, that those were the ones that were going to make it. I mean, the ones that were going to make it were the ones that were doing business online. The ones that were delivering, you went online, you ordered, they shipped it to you, and you got it. Sure enough, it happened. Amazon recently bought a whole big store for several billions of dollars. I mean, if you Google it, you'll see the details. I don't remember offhand. Anyway, in that period of losses and struggles, it went on for a while. Eventually, recently, I then discovered how to generate income on demand. Now, I actually get paid every week directly to my bank account without having to request payment every single time, like many other programs out there. And the effect on my life is invigorating. My fears about retirement have subsided. I am no longer worried about the nest egg. No more sleepless nights over retirement, right? Isn't that amazing? I know I can leave something behind for my family. I do not have to depend on corporate income to travel the world, and I love traveling, by the way, and I've seen most of it, but still going. More importantly, I found a new superpower, the ability to help others gain financial freedom and make money online. And that, to me, is the tip of the iceberg, the icing on the cake, so to say. To actually be able to help others, it's a beautiful thing. Now, to learn exactly how I make money online, enough to replace executive income, and how you too can do the same. Click on the link in my video description. Enter your best email address, and you will get immediate access to a life-changing video that tells you what you need to begin. Be sure to drop a comment below, subscribe or follow to continue getting great content from me. I look forward to seeing you in beautiful places. Have a wonderful night, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.